Right now, the tech industry is seeing massive, ruthless cuts at the highest levels. But while traditional corporate roles are disappearing, the ability for a single person to generate passive income using AI is expanding rapidly. Today, we are going to build a tangible digital product. We will take a notoriously difficult academic subject, like JEE physics, and turn it into a 20-page, visually stunning study guide in just a few minutes. To execute this workflow, you do not need to be a programmer. You only need access to 3 specific free AI platforms: ChatGPT, Google Notebook LM, and Gamma AI. The true barrier to entry in the modern digital economy is no longer memorizing textbooks. It is simply knowing how to sequence these tools together to produce something valuable. Step 1 begins in your core text engine, like ChatGPT or Gemini. We need to input a hyper-specific prompt. For a complex topic, we type, "I need to teach rotational motion to JEE students." Explain it so simply they will never forget it. If you just ask for facts, you will get a dry, robotic encyclopedia entry. You must explicitly ask the AI to design a teaching method. That distinction is how you generate engaging material. The text engine then digests all those raw facts, organizing chaotic information into a clear, logical foundation of knowledge. However, this text is only your raw material. It holds the right ideas, but it entirely lacks the professional formatting required for a paid educational product. To fix that, we bring our raw text into Google Notebook LM. This is a specialized tool designed specifically to ingest information and apply rigid academic structure. We paste our previous output directly into Notebook LM and instruct the AI to generate a comprehensive, structured chapter format. Notice that the absolute maximum level of technical skill required to move between these platforms is simple copy and pasting. By forcing the text through this structuring step, we elevate the material from a casual chatbot response into a reliable, trustworthy educational resource. Now that we have our structured text, we need a visual wrapper. For this, we use Gamma AI as our final layout engine. We feed our structured notes into Gamma. The engine autonomously populates the document, applying professional layouts and generating vivid imagery to match the physics concepts. Before moving forward, you must manually review these auto-generated images. AI can occasionally hallucinate technical diagrams, so a quick human check ensures the educational accuracy remains intact. Once everything is verified, we hit Export to PDF to solidify our work into a finished digital product. People do not pay for raw, unformatted data. They pay for the visual packaging and the cognitive clarity that this finished document provides. With the product finished, the focus shifts to distribution. Rather than charging a premium rate, we are going to use a volume-based pricing model. If you price a single study guide at 500 rupees, you create immediate purchase friction. If you price it at an irresistible 10 rupees, the decision becomes automatic for a student seeking help. To find those students, you drop your offer into pre-existing high-density communities, like massive study groups on Telegram or WhatsApp. This chart shows the baseline math for a single PDF. Selling a 10-rupee guide to 100 students generates 1,000 rupees. Now repeat this across a standard 50-chapter curriculum. Reaching that exact same small group translates into 50,000 rupees. Because a digital file has 0 marginal reproduction costs, combining it with volume-based microsales creates a highly resilient passive income system. This completes the loop. You turn raw concepts into beautifully formatted assets, yielding immediate financial returns. Study materials are simply one niche. You can apply this identical logic to generate YouTube scripts, marketing copy, or even entire websites for local businesses. The adoption curve is moving fast. Individuals who take the time to build these automated systems today will permanently outpace those who decide to wait. Decide on your specific niche right now. If you want guided, hands-on help building out these projects, click the AI Income Master Course link in the description to begin.